everyone, welcome to Druv Online Academy. In this 30-day revision series, today we can start revising the unit Information and Communication Technology. In this video, we can see some basic terms used in ICT and abbreviations that are frequently asked in NET examination. And then we can also see some previous year questions related to this topic. We can start with some of the basic terms used in ICT. Internet is a network which connects computers across the globe. So this facilitates sharing of information and communication. Then web browser. Web browser is a type of software which helps us to view the information on the web. For example, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, all these are web browsers. Next, search engine. This is a software system which helps in carrying out web searches. For example, we use Google to search a lot of information. Google is a search engine. Website, it is a set of web pages. It is a collection of web pages which comes under one particular domain name. For example, if we take website of NTA, there we can find number of web pages which gives us information related to NTA. Now, what is a web page? Web page is just a document which can be seen in a browser. Few more basic terminology from ICT. Virus. Full form of virus is Vital Information Resources Under Siege. When the virus is present in the system, it can corrupt all the existing data and it will also have access to the private and the sensitive information we have stored in the system. Spamming is sending bulk messages or mails to random contacts even without their consent or any kind of request from their part. Phishing is where the message seems to come from a trusted or a reputable source, but it is not so in reality. The recipients or the audiences are tricked to believe so that they will reveal some of the confidential information. Spoofing is identity theft. So by stealing the identity, they trick the contacts to reveal some of their confidential information. Now we can start with the abbreviations. You can pause the video and make a note of it if you want to. So these are the acronyms for different types of computer network and for CPU and the constituents of CPU. Then these are related to file transfer, protocols that are related to file transfer. And then related to web page, website, domain and the URL. The difference between domain and URL is that domain is name of the website, whereas this URL will take us to a specific web page within that website. For example, if we say Amazon.com, www.amazon.com is the domain, that is the name of the website, but a URL is the address of a specific web page within that website. Then acronyms related to different types of computer memory. Here are acronyms related to units that facilitate display and communication. Then acronyms related to the data storage units. What is the size of the digital information? KB, MB, GB and TB. Here these are given in increasing order of their capacity, KB being the smallest of these units and TB is the largest of the given units. Now it's time to see some previous year questions from this topic. First question, Jaden's laptop has LCD screen. The acronym LCD stands for. Okay, here we can look at the slide. LCD, it stands for liquid crystal display. Now looking at the options here, light crystal display, liquid compact display, light compact display, liquid crystal display. Option D is the right answer. Second question, an unsolicited email message sent to many recipients at once is unsolicited meaning it is not asked for by the recipient. So it's a spam. Option D is the right option. Third question, which of the following is a search engine? Option A, Flash, B, Firefox, C, Internet Explorer, D, Google. D, Google is the right option. Fourth question, VDU stands for option A, Virtual Display Unit, Option B, virtual detection unit, C, visual display unit, and D, visual detection unit. We can look at the slide. Visual display unit is the right option. Here we can look at the options. Option C is the right one. Fifth question, what is the name of a web page address? Option A, domain, B, directory, C, protocol, and D, URL. URL is the name of a web page address. So, option D is the right answer. That's for part 1 revision in ICT. We will see more concepts in this unit in the upcoming videos. Hope this helps you. Please do subscribe to Druv Online Academy and watch the other videos in this 30-day revision series. Thank you.